Hey everyone, welcome back to Rickus Ideas. Today, we're diving deep into the world of car seats to bring you the best of the best in the market. Whether you're a first-time parent or just want to ensure your child is riding in the safest, most comfortable car seat possible, you've come to the right place. We'll be reviewing and comparing the top car seats on the market, focusing on safety features, comfort, ease of installation, and pricing. Let's get started. First up, the Graco Forever DLX 4-in-1 car seat. This seat is designed to grow with your child from infancy to booster seat age. It meets all the latest safety standards and features Graco's Simply Safe Adjust harness system, which lets you adjust the headrest and harness height together. Comfort-wise, it has plush padding and multiple recline positions. Installation can be a bit involved, especially if you're switching between modes frequently. But you won't have to install multiple car seats over the years. The Graco Forever DLX offers great value for its extended lifespan. It's a solid contender for families looking for a versatile and long-lasting car seat. Next up is the Britax Marathon Click-Tight Convertible car seat, a popular choice for safety-conscious parents. It features a steel-reinforced frame, energy-absorbing foam, and Britax's SafeCell impact protection system. The Marathon Click-Tight also offers plush padding, multiple recline positions, and ventilation for comfort. The Click-Tight installation system makes it incredibly easy to install. Just click the seat into the base. While it's one of the more expensive options, the Britax Marathon Click-Tight is worth every penny for its safety and ease of use. For parents who want the best in safety and convenience, this is a top choice. Now let's talk about the Chico KeyFit 30, the tiny titan of infant car seats. Designed with newborns in mind, it features a cozy, ergonomic design and a super easy installation process with clear indicators. The KeyFit 30 comes with a removable newborn insert for extra support and a UPF 50+ canopy to protect from the sun. It meets all safety standards, giving you peace of mind that your precious cargo is well protected. While it's only usable for the first year or so, the KeyFit 30 is a fantastic investment for new parents. It's consistently ranked as one of the best infant car seats on the market. Introducing the EvenFlow Maestro Sport, the budget-friendly booster with big safety chops. This booster seat offers excellent safety features without breaking the bank, including a 5-point harness system for children up to 65 pounds. It also has 2 cup holders, which are a lifesaver for thirsty toddlers. Lightweight and easy to install, the Maestro Sport is great for families on the go. The EvenFlow Maestro Sport is incredibly affordable, especially considering its safety features and versatility. It's a great value for parents looking for a safe and reliable booster seat. Last but not least, the Diono Radian 3RXT, the narrowest car seat for when you're packing them in. This all-in-one convertible car seat is built like a tank and packed with safety features, accommodating children from birth up to 120 pounds. Its narrow profile is perfect for smaller cars or fitting multiple car seats in the back. Surprisingly lightweight for its size, it's easy to move between vehicles if needed. While it's the most expensive car seat on our list, the Diono Radian 3RXT is worth considering for its longevity and ability to accommodate multiple children. Think of all the money you'll save on not having to buy multiple car seats over the years. So there you have it, folks, my top picks for the best car seats of 2023. Whether you're looking for a feature-packed all-in-one, a budget-friendly option, or the absolute safest car seat on the market, there's a car seat out there for you. Remember, choosing the right car seat is one of the most important decisions you'll make as a parent. Always make sure your car seat is installed correctly. Drive safe, everyone!